Hi, this is Dan from Hill Country Chocolate. We had an interesting request today, and that was from one of our customers. How do we do all the social media? Well, if you didn't know, running a small hospitality business like a chocolate shop today means you better be active on social media, and we manage a whole host of channels. And the only way to do that is with technology. Now, fortunately, we have our sister company, Rocket Tools, which helps us, but I'm going to show you how we do it. It starts with a creative, so we find a great picture like this bridal group that we have here today. We actually create the creative first. We edit it to make sure it'll fit, say, an Instagram post or something like a Facebook post. Once we do that, we create the language that would advertise that post, the language that would be part of it. We geo-tag it to make sure people know where our chocolate shop is located. We location target it for Facebook, so in case we want to use it future for advertising, we have that available. And then we customize it for every one of the platforms. So for Facebook, we maybe add a few changes. For Instagram, we may add hashtags, or we put a link URL in there, so in case there's something unique like a wine tasting. For Pinterest, we keyword target it to make sure that it gets targeted on Pinterest. And then finally, we pick the optimal date and time that it should publish on all these programs, and guess what? Then we hit publish, and that allows us to create a social marketing platform and calendar that looks like this.